Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw some chicken and waffles. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our chicken and waffles, we're going to begin with the piece of chicken. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to curve around and up like this. Next, starting here, we're going to go up a little bit on each side. And we're just going to add some little zigzag lines across. Starting here, we're going to draw two lines that come up. We're going to make a little bump here and another little bump over here for the bone. Now starting over here, we want to make the waffle. So we're going to begin by making a big circle. So let's just draw a nice big circle shape over here. And then I want to add some syrup on top of it. So starting here, we're just going to make some wavy lines that come across. Now I want to add a little face on each one of these. So starting here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. Then we'll leave some space and we'll make another circle over here. I'm going to add a little black dot inside each one for the pupils. Then we're going to draw a straight line across. And a line that's going to come down and up. I'll add some little bumps in here for some teeth and a little sad face at the bottom for a tongue. Starting here, we're going to make the waffle face, so I'll begin by making a circle for an eye. We'll leave some space and then we'll make another circle for the eye over here. Starting here, we're going to add a little black dot inside each one for the pupil. Then we'll draw a line across with another line that comes down and up for the mouth. We'll add a couple teeth on the top and a big sad face for the tongue. Now, starting up here, I'm going to add a little line that goes over. It's going to go down, over, and up for some butter. Then I'm going to add a little line that's going to go down and over to make it kind of look 3D. And there you go. There is your basic drawing of some chicken and waffles. Now, to make this look a little bit more like a waffle, you can draw in some little kind of like square shapes, or you can just kind of color them in. If you're going to draw them in, you just want to add the little kind of square shapes all around here. But because it's a curve, you're going to kind of make some little triangles in here as well. I'm just going to do that with my marker when I put these in. Just going to add the little kind of square shapes with the little curves in here. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.